How to use GeeksforGeeks articles and tutorials for beginners. Are you new to coding? Here's how to use GeeksforGeeks articles and tutorials as a beginner in just under 60 seconds. Now, just simply head towards geeksforgeeks.org or open up the GeeksforGeeks application. Now, once you're there, on the home page, you'll find a source bar. That is this explore icon right here. Just simply click on it. And now, once you've done that, just simply search up for any tutorial. So let's say I'll go for C tutorial beginners. Now, once you've searched up for it, here you can see under an article, the C programming language tutorial. Just simply press on it. Now, make sure you open the ones that is marked with beginner friendly tags or those with clear headings and examples. So right here, you can see a very thorough explanation on how to learn a C programming language. And that's it. Super simple and easy. And you can also see recommended for you right here. So if you're interested, you can just simply click on it. That will direct you to the next RDA. Now, make sure you practice while reading. Most tutorials include code snippets and problems. Try them on your own using an IDE or GeeksforGeeks IDE. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.